So in this video, we are going to look at a CPR downtrending scan, which is for a bearish setup, where we are looking for 3 CPRs down on a weekly time frame, and then we are also looking for stocks which are below the 200 moving average, and also developing CPR is also pointing downwards. Okay, it's basically trending downwards in 2 bars, and we are only scanning weekly stocks. Okay, so here is the results. So I'm basically sorting this by relative volume. Okay, so relative volume, if it's 1, it's basically trading the same as previous 50 days, right? So but if it is more, if it's more than 1, it's higher. So if you see here, this is 7.8 and 7.67, 4.3, like that, right? They're very high. So if you look at them, if you look at this TT take 2 interactive, right? This is on a bearish trend. So what it means is basically is the trend is going to continue. Okay, a lot of people are getting out of the stock. So here the Zynga, right? So now I'm going to sort this by 3 red candles, right? So what this means is the TTM squeeze is indicating that there's red on the weekly, down on the weekly. This is daily, 4 hour and 1 hour. Okay, all negative, all downtrending, and it's a bearish on the moving average also. Okay, so let's look at this stock, BURL. Okay, let's look at trade. I'm going to go on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, edit. I'm just going to CPR. This is on a weekly. Okay, so BURL. Okay, you can see that this basically the 3 CPR is coming down. Okay, and we are on a 1 hour time frame. So as soon as you see one more red candle below this CPR, right, you can take the short trade. First you have to wait for 1 hour. You have to see a candle like this. So this stock is already fallen below, so you want to wait for the one more drop happen next week Monday, right? So let's also drop in the developing CPR, developing pivots. Okay, let's edit it. So it's on daily, we want to put it in weekly. Okay, you can see it's on downtrend. Okay, okay, developing CPR also is downtrend. CPR is downtrend. Okay, so now let's also put the TTM squeeze. Okay, that's also on red. Okay, so all are lining up. Let's look at next one. Scan. Next stock I want to look for is, go down. So relative volume is also high. KSS. Okay, trade KSS. Okay, let me take out this developing. Okay, so you can see that here also this is basically, so if you take a downtrending trade right here with this kind of candle, you can just wait till that comes down. Okay, so you can see it's coming down. Okay. Okay, so you can also if you want, you can wait, you could wait till here, right? You can say a bigger candle, but you can take the downtrending here and you can basically get out here. If, as long as it doesn't cut the CPR, you can stay in the trade. Okay, so here you also want to wait for a similar kind of candle, right? similar kind of candle, which at lower wick, no upper wick, only lower wick. You can wait for the candle like that, and then you can just take the trade. So you can see the TTM also is red. Okay. So if you ask me what are the good stocks to trade based on average volume, you can see KSS is one. Okay, KSS is definitely one, and also Burlington BURL. Okay, those two stocks are good ones. If you want to pick more, you can see that you can basically sort by relative volume, and you can see TTWO, Zynga. All these can also be a good choice. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. So you can also see that the Zillow Group, Lyft, all of them have, but I would just focus on this relative volume of 3 and above. Okay, so these are basically downtrending and can go down as with the market. Okay, thank you.